Hello, my friends. Jeanette here with Vivo Vintage Designs. As promised, I did a little research and I read in one of the posts in one of the alcohol ink groups that I belong to that Amazon Basics photo paper works just as well as the Kirkland photo paper, which has become really difficult to find these days. So the sheets that I ordered are 5 by 7 inches and you get 100. And here in the US, I paid, I think, like $14 for this pack, and it arrived really, really quickly. So here I have on the left a sheet of the Kirkland photo paper and on the right the Amazon Basic. And just by feel, it feels like the Kirkland photo paper might be just a little bit thicker, but I'm not 100% sure. What's most important is how the inks move on the paper. So I'm going to create this quick little flower, little pitch black in the center, and I have my little bottles filled with a mix of inks and alcohol, and I'm just going to blow out my favorite petals. And you can see that the ink moves really, really well. So I am very happy that I ordered this, and I thought I would share it with you as soon as I tried it out, because it's all I hear is that you can't find the Kirkland photo paper. So this is a wonderful alternative. And if you have found another alternative and would like to share with the rest of us, leave it in the comments. I'm really curious to try out other papers. And I don't know what the price difference is between this and the Kirkland paper, but if you can't get the Kirkland paper, I guess it doesn't matter. So here I have an alcohol lifting pen. And it's nice because it's got a broad tip on one end and a pointy tip on the other end. So I tried to lift the red here, but because it bled over to the other side, you really can't lift that. So I decided to try this little frilly edge here, and you can see that it lifted really, really easily, like it was never there. So if you're looking for an alternative, this is a great one. I will put it in the description box along with that alcohol lifting pen. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.